Hi, this is Vincent Finaldi with TeleCloud. Today we completed our installation for AFC, an urgent care center in East Hanover, New Jersey. I wanted to cover the 4 most important tips as part of the installation process to help you in your evaluation process. Number 1 for AFC East Hanover, there was no downtime. When phone numbers and services switched from the old provider to TeleCloud, no patient calls were missed and there was 0 downtime. Number 2, we came on site and installed the new IP phone hardware and network equipment in the back closet. Number 3, we trained the staff how to utilize all the new hardware and software capabilities. And number 4, it's a reminder for the customer to cancel services with the old provider so you don't get double billed and you take advantage of your new cost savings. So in this video, we'll walk you through it. Those were the 4 most important steps in the installation process. And come on back, we'll learn more. So we're back here in the network closet, and I wanted to walk you through a few things. If you're a new setup, this will be helpful. If you're an existing setup, it's probably what you already have. So for example, on the top is structured cabling. So the phones and computers have Cat5e or Cat6 cabling, nicely terminated on a patch panel. That's key for IP phones. The second part is there is a network switch right here, which provides power to the phones. So you don't have a power brick plugging into an electrical outlet. It cleanly works off of this network switch. So the 3 factors to getting IP phones to work well is new structured cabling, a network switch which powers the phones, and below here, which is the sonic wall, is the router where all the traffic routes through. So this is a clean network closet, and if you look over here, the internet happens to be Optimum, which has the modem back here. So the internet's Optimum, structured cabling, PoE network switch, and a router which accommodates all the traffic in and out. And this is a very professional environment, so that IP telephony will work great.
Hi, my name's Robert, and I'm the center administrator here at AFC Urgent Care East Hanover. TeleCloud came over to hook us up with our phone systems. We have much better access to contacting our patients and everything, web-based software. It's making life a lot easier for us, and we couldn't be happier. Big thumbs up to these guys. Thank you.